Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna quickly walk you through the steps on how you scan for channels with your antenna on your Roku TV. So I'm assuming that you've already set up your antenna and you can find that under the Live TV app to launch your antenna channels. But to do a rescan, what we wanna do from the menu is go down here on the left-hand side to where it says settings. Then we're gonna go over and down to where it says TV inputs. And then for our input, it's gonna be the Live TV option. And then having already set up the antenna before, it now gives me the option to scan for channels. And then I can click OK on where it says start finding channels. So it says I've already scanned for channels, but perhaps I'm getting better reception or in a situation where the antenna is pointed in a different direction. So possibly I could get more channels. So what I wanna do is click OK on where it says scan again. And then this is going to be for the antenna. And this can take a little bit of time for it to do its full scan to try to find all of those channels that are available to you. So for me, it found 41 channels, and this is actually one more than the 40 channels that it had previously found. So to go check on these channels, we can click OK on where it says Watch Live TV. And with our Roku remote, we can open up the guide to see exactly which antenna channels that we are getting access to. So I hope this video is helpful walking you through the steps on how you can scan for antenna channels on your Roku TV. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.